indigo at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at night and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze fueled teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds. From 10 to
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup tutorial and this one is for the fall season. I have created this look inspired by the dead dry leaves of trees.
the one who's gone.
I'm using this 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. To me, it seems just like Versailles Rose Gold Elixir.
Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with
Applying this lip balm, and this one is from Glow for a Cause. These two products I got from my Ipsy Endless Summer collection. Applying my trusty Ordinary Coverage Foundation with a damp Real Technique sponge.
let's get girly. With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again.
Now I'm applying Illegal Pro Concealer to highlight and conceal. I'm using it in my under eye area, to the bridge of my nose, to the side of my nose, and also around my mouth.
Let's get girly.
Now blending it with the same sponge.
With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again.
Now setting my concealer with e.l.f. HD powder, and this powder is too good. It gives the skin a perfect blurry effect. Now bronzing up my cheekbone, my forehead and the side of my nose with Estee Lauder Golden Goddess Bronzer.
With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again.
Now I'm trying to fill up my imperfect brows with e.l.f. eyebrow kit.
Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly.
I am applying this creamy Avon lipstick as my cream blush, and I am blending it with the clean side of my blender. This will be the base of my blush. I will use Estee Lauder Pink Kiss. This technique will make my blush stay much longer than they usually do. For a cohesive look, I am using the same blush as my transition shade. Today I will use Morphe 3502 palette. I am using the shade Ablaze to my crease. I will take my time to blend this shade and to give it a blown out effect. Now with a precise crease brush, I am using the shade Heat to deepen up my crease. Now to create a halo eye, I am using this shade Rich to my outer corner and to my inner eye corner, and I will leave the lid space black.
Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and
Now blending this 2 shade that I have applied with a fluffy brush.
let's get girly.
To the blank space of my eyelid, I am using Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon Eye Pencil in the shade Champagne Diamond. Now I'm applying the shade Reach again to blown out the edges of this pencil.
With a hangover to 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again.
To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm using this shade again. I'm placing this color close to my lower lash line with the liner brush. To highlight my inner eye corner, I'm using the pencil again. To give my face a subtle glow, I'm using Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in the shade Sunlighter. I will use this on the top of my cheekbone, on the side of my forehead, on the tip of my nose and to my nose bridge, on my cupid bow and to my chin. And I will also highlight my brow bone with it. To set my face, I'm using Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 spray. I will let it dry for a few seconds and then press the rest with the blender. Now I am doing my eyeliner. Now I'm curling up my lashes and prepping it for mascara. I'm using e.l.f. eyelash curler. Today I'm using Tartiest Pro mascara to my upper and lower lashes. After applying mascara, whatever is left on my brush, I will brush it through my brows. Applying a false eyelash with a pair of tweezers. Usually I don't like liquid lipstick, but today I am using one of a good formula that is available in the market, and it is from Ofra and the shade is Miami Fever. And that's it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell to know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.